Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Rodriguez with Leatherman Tool Group, and today I'm excited to walk you through the tools and features of the Skeletool KB pocket knife. The Skeletool KB is a compact knife. It's super lightweight and fits nicely into your pocket without taking up a ton of space. The design of the KB comes directly from the Skeletool family, which features a skeletonized frame for weight reduction, curved edges for comfort, and is also equipped with a clip so you can carry it securely in your bag or pocket. The Skeletool KB comes in a variety of colors. It's equipped with two tools, weighs 1.3 ounces, measures 3.5 inches in length when closed, and is a little over a 1/4 inch thick. The Skeletool KB comes with a knife blade that's accessible with one hand. To open the knife blade, rotate the blade until it locks into place. To unlock the knife blade, locate the line lock, press down, and stow the blade back into the handle. The KB features a 420 high carbon steel knife blade with a straight edge. It's also available in a combo edge version with stainless steel finish. It's equipped with a pot clip with a built-in bottle opener. To use the bottle opener, locate the hook on the bottle opener, place it under the teeth of your bottle cap, lift, and enjoy your beverage. The Skeletool KB is backed with our 25-year warranty. For more information on this pocket knife or any of our multi-purpose products, visit us at leatherman.com.